Back in 2022, my channel went viral for the first time because of one thing.
Hold on, wait a minute. I gotta shout out my girlfriend. Her name's El Boogie, y'all. Hold on, wait a minute. You see, she's from Thailand. The episode when she made me grits went viral. And I know you all want a girlfriend just like mine. I know you do. El Boogie. She's so good to me. El Boogie. She's so good to me. El Boogie. She cooks, she cleans, she takes care of me. El Boogie.
She was making me grits, cutting my food, and taking care of me in a way that left guys back in the States completely speechless. Ever since then, my inbox has been flooded with the exact same message. Richie, Elle is a unicorn. She's a one-off. That doesn't happen for regular guys. And honestly, they thought Elle was a unicorn. They thought it was impossible until we touched down here in Hanoi, Vietnam for the Zoom Fest trip. My boy Steve came out here with us, and we were sitting right downstairs in the lobby when he dropped a story on me that completely flipped the script. Turn the volume up for this one because you can't make this ish up.
I remember back in the day, I was sitting at home watching Zoom with Thailand, and I saw you and Elle out for dinner, and Elle cut your steak for you. And I said, I want a woman that'll cut my steak for me. And I remember when I met Amy, and we went out to dinner, and I just sat back to see if she was gonna cut my steak for me. And she took my shrimp, and she took the shell off my shrimp, cut it in half and put it on my plate. I just sat back. And I said, now that's an Elle woman.
Hey. The blueprint is real, but it didn't stop there. Now let's talk about Tokyo. Now, guys take a bath to relax, right? Well, let's just say Amy operates on a whole different level of taking care of her man. Check this out.
Well, I just feel like taking a bath. I ran some bath water, and I'm sitting there in the bathtub, with my bubbles and everything. And I'm just, chilling out. She comes in and says, are you done? I said, well, no, I'm just chilling out. She said, get out. I said, why? I want to wash clothes. She started washing clothes in the sink. I had to get out of the tub so that she can rinse the clothes in the tub. And then I'm in the room, and I hear the hairdryer going. So I'm thinking, she's doing her hair. And I come around, I peek around the corner. She got my shoes. She's washing my shoes. And she's drying my shoes with the hairdryer.
Are you serious?
And what you doing? Your shoes was dirty. I wanted to wash them. And I just shook my head, turned around, and said, where and who back in the States is gonna do something like that?
You can't make this stuff up.
Make it up.
Kicked him out of a bubble bath to do laundry. Then hit the dirty Snickers with a hairdryer in the Tokyo hotel room. Even Elle ain't going that far. You're not gonna wash my shoes, I know that.
Every time you don't in the room, I make anything.
Oh.
I don't want to see.
Oh yeah, she does though. One time my stomach was out going to the bathroom a lot. And you go to the bathroom a lot and leave little pieces in there. I came home, Elle had that thing shining. I lit that thing up. I didn't have to ask her. She's cup. What made you decide to go clean the toilet? How'd you know?
I go walk. I see, dirty. I can talk with you. I can talk.
She came right back and started cleaning it up. Oh, baby, thank you so much. Hanoi at night shouldn't work. By every rule of modern traffic engineering, this place should be complete chaos. Thousands of scooters, cars, bicycles, and pedestrians all moving at the same time, often in every direction imaginable. And yet, somehow it works. Yeah, there are traffic lights here, sure, but the real system isn't painted on the road. It's trust, it's rhythm, it's instinct. Crossing the street feels less like a commute and more like joining a dance. Nobody stops, nobody panics. Everybody just flows around each other like water finding its path downstream. Hey guys, this is Hanoi, Vietnam out there. Boogie getting ready. Where you going with your big old leg?
Huh? I have this one, yeah.
Oh, I said, where you going with your big old leg?
Go eat.
Hanoi, Vietnam, y'all. Right back to work. See, while I've been running around filming for Zoom to Thailand, Amy and Elle have been inseparable. They've been shooting content, taking pictures, and building something special. In fact, you're about to see a lot more Amy on Elle's channel very soon to get them both a platform to shine. what's the real takeaway here? They thought Elle was a unicorn. No, the truth is, the world is a massive place, and there are women out there who genuinely find joy in matching your energy and taking care of you. If you come correct, show respect, and treat them right. We take care of them, and they take care of us. My man Steve found his match because he stopped wishing for it on a screen and came out here to find it in the real world. The blueprint is working. You can't make this ish up. Right now you up, man. You done got your shoes. Let's see your little shoes. She saw your shoes was dirty, your little icy whites, and she got them right back, huh? Hey, can't make this up.
Make it up.
Pray for the blessings, not the curse. Some win, some lose, I come up first. From Chicago to Inglewood, Hawthorne, Hollywood, skirt off to Thailand, Southeast Asia. Watch the Richie Mac show or go to church. Either way, it all works. Pray for the blessing, not the curse. Some win, some lose, I come up first. From Chicago to Inglewood, Hawthorne, Hollywood, skirt off to Thailand, Southeast Asia. Watch the Richie Mac show or go to church. Either way, it all works.
All right, you guys, I'm in Hanoi. I just met this beautiful Vietnamese girl. What's your name?
My name is Linh.
Her name is Ling.
Yeah, I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam.
She from Hanoi, Vietnam? So you know where you are?
Yeah.
You know this place well?
I know this place well.
You do? How do you speak English so well?